show. We're going up to, I think, Pharoahs County in Georgia for the, I think it is called the Pharoahs Car Club, which was established back in the 40s. They're putting on a car show this weekend for the veterans because, as everyone knows, Memorial Day is coming up. So it is time to remember. That is what we will be doing. And we will be supporting our veterans, and I think this car show is a full proceeds to veterans and all the donations go towards it. This is also our second test drive on the Jimmy. We're taking the Jimmy there. We're taking the 78 C10 Papa's old Chevy. We're taking it. We've got a full convoy today. Scott is in the truck pulling the trailer with a bunch of t-shirts. And last night we did a full oil change on the Jimmy. We did an oil change on the C10. We basically buttoned everything up, checked all the fluids, made sure everything was good. We were all good, and we're now about to get her going. So let's see how this car show goes once we get there. As always, I'm going to show y'all some nice cars. I'll show y'all the classics and everything, all the ins and outs, and now I'll tell you all about it. So let's go. All right, we've already ran into our first issue, and the transmission on this Jimmy is giving us some issues. It's giving us a lot of problems. Gets into first gear, kind of shifts into second, never goes into third. Put it into neutral, slam it to drive, try whatever you can, it won't shift. So we're now on the side of the interstate on I-20, on our way to Pharoahs County. We're gonna let this thing cool off, and then we're gonna try and limp this thing down the road. So let's see how the rest of this road trip goes. And this is what I mean by the transmission is not working. We are trying to get down the road, and this damn thing just ain't going. And the verdict is we are not taking the Jimmy anymore because it's not shifting. It ain't shifting right at all. So we're gonna take this thing back home, and then we're both gonna just load up in Papa's old Chevy, and we're gonna meet Scott at the car show. Sorry for the delay. All right, so we have now got back, and we are dropping the Jimmy off because the transmission is shot. So let's see what is happening with this thing real quick, and then we can get on the road. All right. Holy cow, yeah, this is not good. All right.
No fluid either.
Tranny stick just got pulled out, and we had plenty of fluid when we got here. Now there's no fluid on it. It's smoking a little bit, and well, this is just wonderful. And folks, this is why you go over every little bitty piece before you get going down the interstate. It seems our transmission pan gasket has shit the bed. Hey, woo! Time for some transmission work. We gotta get this gasket replaced and then put some fluid in it. Hopefully she'll be okay. I don't think we ran it for too long, but we will see. All right, y'all, after that really painful drop off of the Jimmy and dealing with the transmission problems, we finally got here to the car show that is in Auburn, Georgia. That is where we're at, is in Auburn. It is put on by the Pharoahs Car Club. We're about to get a walk around, and I think they're gonna do some prizes and such, so we'll also get a look at those. Let's see what we can find. end show at this entire place? Well, y'all, that was an extremely eventful and painful day. The 1980 Jimmy's tranny, I'm pretty sure we blew it up. Possibly, maybe, I'm not 100% sure. We'll test that when we get back. We're on our way back from the car show now. Y'all got to see the best in show. Y'all got to see pretty much everything that stood out to us and then some. This car show that was in benefit for our veterans. I did not know this, but this is something that they actually do on a month-to-month basis. So next month, they will also be doing this car show again at the address right here. And y'all should come. They do prizes. They have all kind of stuff that they do for kids. And they got food and stuff so your fat belly can get happy. I think next month they're going to be having some live music. So they will have that. I think that'll be awesome. But yeah, y'all should definitely show up next time in Auburn, Georgia, and come out to this Pharoahs Car Club car show for the veterans. Thank you to all of our veterans that have served. I appreciate everything that y'all do. But for now, we are done with this video. The car show is over, and we are on to the house. So y'all stay tuned for the transmission fix on the Jimmy, and stay tuned for my future videos. I've got some good stuff coming. So subscribe, drop a comment, like, and let me know what y'all want to see next. And we're done. Peace. I love y'all. Later. And I'm out.